Hey guys, we're going to continue with some multi-step equations. There's nothing new, there's just more steps. So you're still solving for the variable, you just have a few extra steps. So let's look at this example. I have here 9n minus 6 equals 5n plus 18. I'm going to rewrite it. And so remember, we're trying to get the variable by itself. But notice here I have the variable on both sides. So I want to bring the variable to one side. Doesn't matter which side, you just want to make sure it's on one side. I'm going to bring it to the left, so I have the 5n's right here on the right. I'm going to subtract 5n's from both sides. And now, they go away. I have 9n minus 5n, that's 4n. I still have the minus 6. And now this is like an equation I already know how to solve. Look, the variables are all on one side. So I'm going to add 6 to both sides. And get 24. Let's do 24 is equal to 4n. And then last but not least, I have to divide by 4 to get rid of that 4. So I get n is equal to 6. And I can check it to make sure I have the right answer. So I'm going to put my 6 in for n. Let's see, 9 times 6 is 54. 54 minus 6 is 48. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 plus 18 is 48. It worked. We did an excellent job. Let's try the next one. I'll go back to black. So here I have 9x plus 1 minus 7x minus 5 equals negative 20. Again, we want to get the variable by itself. Let's first see if we can clean it up. Can we combine like terms? Yeah. We have 9x minus 7x. I can rewrite that as 2x. And then I have plus 1 minus 5. I can rewrite that as minus 4. And I'm going to bring the negative 20 down. So I've cleaned it up now. Now I just have to solve it. Let me rewrite it here. I'm going to add 4 to both sides. It's negative 20 plus 4 is negative 16. And then I have the 2x. And now I just have to divide by 2. I get x equals negative 8. There we go. Let's solve a few more. Let's look at these. These have some distribution. So we need to think about how to use distribution. We have 4m minus 5 times 3m plus 10 equals 126. Remember, first things first, we want to clean it up. So now we have 4m minus 15m minus 50 equals 126. Okay, let's see what we can clean up. We have 4m minus 15m. That's negative 11m. Minus 50 is equal to 126. I'm going to bring it over here. I know how to solve this. I'm going to add 50 to both sides. Oh. 126 plus 50, that's 176, equals negative 11m. And then the last thing I need to do is divide by negative 11. I'm going to get m is equal to negative 16. Look at that. Okay, in this one we have distribution twice. Here we have a negative 1. So we have negative 3k. Negative 3 times negative 8, that's positive 24. Negative 1 times k is minus k. Negative 1 times 5 is negative 5. We need to clean it up a bit. We have negative 3k minus k. That's negative 4k. Then I have 24 minus 5. That's going to give me positive 19. Equals 23. I'm going to bring this over. Now I know how to solve this. I'm going to subtract 19 from both sides. I get 4 is equal to negative 4k. And I'm going to divide both sides by negative 4. And I get k is equal to negative 1. I'm going to do one more really quick. If you want, you can add this to your notes on the side. So if we want to solve this one, notice we have distribution on both sides. Let's distribute. So we have negative 5d, negative 5 times negative 7 is positive 35 plus 3. 2 times 2d is 4d, and then 2 times 1 is 2. We can clean this up first, so we can combine these. So that's going to give me negative 5d plus 38 is equal to 4d plus 2. Notice I have variables on both sides. I'm going to subtract the 4d just to make sure I have only variables on one side. Negative 5d minus 4d is negative 9d. And now I'm going to subtract 38. Get negative 9d is equal to negative 36. Negative 9d equals a negative 36. I'm going to divide by negative 9. And I get d is equal to 4. Just one last example.